You searched how to buy shares of Gladstone Investment Corporation. Gladstone Investment Corporation is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GAIN, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GAIN to locate Gladstone Investment Corporation. Select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent moves. Double-check the company name and the GAIN ticker to confirm you have the right listing. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you wish to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it opens, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.